So guys, today is Friday, 17th of July, 2026, and I'm going to start doing my hair. So what I'm going to do is take down and braid, take down and braid, just like that, okay? Take down, comb, just take out some of the build ups, and that's it. So I'm only using this and this too. So I have my laptop with whatever I'm watching for entertainment. And please don't judge. We look, we laugh, we don't judge.
Bombastic side eye. Criminal offensive side eye.
Guys. So obviously the hair is not hydrated yet, hence it looks like this. And it's really, this hair needs to be washed. So I'm going to turn, and then you guys are just going to see what I will be doing. Good morning, guys. How did we sleep? It's currently 25 minutes past 8 in the morning, and I'm about to start with my hair. Or I'm about to continue. Yeah, sorry. I'm about to continue with my hair. So I'm done, but now it's time to go and take a shower and also just, make the hair wet, and then I'll come and show you guys how it looks. It's currently 12 minutes past 1. Yeah, so I'll see you guys now shortly. All right, guys, so this is the hair. We are done. I've made it wet. Okay, and this is 10 months. So now I'm just going to, it's already wet, so I'm just going to moisturize and seal. I'll see you guys in my next video.